PCO Secretary Jay Ruiz is under fire over his alleged connection to a company that bagged government contracts worth millions. The palace insists he is taking steps to clear the issue. Here's the report.
Just days after being appointed as the new Secretary of the Presidential Communications Office, Jay Ruiz is already facing controversy. The latest issue involves his media company securing multi-million peso contracts with the government, which is allegedly a conflict of interest with his current position. However, the palace said the official is already working on the necessary documents to formally withdraw from his business.
Ang batas naman po natin ay allowed po mag-divest ng shares or interest sa anumang kumpanya na pag-aari niya within 60 days from the time na siya ay nag-assume ng position. Pagkakaalam ko ay in the process na po kasi piniprepare niya po yung kanyang mga papers regarding that.
Palace Press Officer Claire Castro also emphasized that Ruiz secured his government projects before assuming office.
Wala naman po tayo nakikitang mali doon dahil kailangan din naman po niyang kumita. So ngayon po na kami po ay na-appoint, kailangan po talaga mag-divest kung ang interest po ay may conflict. So, kailangan po talaga mag-divest.
In a chance interview with the Malacanang Press Corps after PCO's flag-raising ceremony on Monday, Ruiz addressed the spread of intrigue, saying they only cause unnecessary distractions.
Nasa hilik na makatulog. It will take space and time. Iisipin mo pa. Minsan kasi, gumagawa ng kung ano-anong kwento na wala namang katotohanan.
This is reportedly one of the reasons why Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin ordered PCO presidential appointees to submit their courtesy resignations.
Walang personalan. Kinakailangan natin gawin dahil kailangan nga ng pagbabago na hindi dapat kasi nangyayari kasi unang-una maraming leakages, maraming intriga. Dapat confidential lahat ng orders, lahat ng papeles dito. We treat it as confidential.
Ruiz assured that all PCO officials will undergo evaluation.